Selamat datang anakku sekalian, anak ibu ya, ke sekarang ke Museum Aceh dan tepatnya di pinggir rumah tradisional orang Aceh. Inilah dia rumah kita orang Aceh.
A week ago you said to me, do you believe I'll never be too far? If you're lost, just look for me. You'll find me in the region of the summer stars. The fact that we can sit right here and say goodbye means we've already won. The necessity for apologies between you and me, baby, there is.
Jadi kalian semua sekarang berada di kota Banda Aceh di sini. Ya, di kota Banda Aceh. Ini Aceh besar adalah bandara. Ya. Kalau Bangsa ya, ibu Bangsa janjinya ke mana? Ya.
We had some good times, didn't we? We had some good tricks up our sleeve. Goodbye's a bittersweet, but it's not the end.
Ini orang sahabat kita, raja militer, maka
See your face again. You will find me, and you will find me in places that we've never been, for reasons we don't understand. Walking in the wind, walking in the wind. Yesterday I went out to celebrate the birthday of a friend. But as we raised our glasses up to make a toast, I realized you were missing. We had some good times, didn't we? We wore our hearts out on our sleeve. Goodbyes are bittersweet, but it's not the end. I'll see your face again.